Did you know that over 50% of Scrum Masters feel burned out because they're juggling too many tasks at once? Meetings, coaching, solving blockers, handling conflicts, it's like you're putting out fires all day. And the worst part? If you're not on top of things, your team struggles too. Deadlines slip, motivation drops, and suddenly, Scrum feels like chaos instead of agility. But what if we told you there's a simple checklist that can keep you organized, confident, and always one step ahead? In today's video, we're breaking down the perfect daily checklist for Scrum Masters, so you can lead your team smoothly and make a real impact. Stay till the end because we have a bonus tip that will level up your Scrum Master game. Before going forward, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Now, let's dive into the checklist. First is starting your day with a plan. Alright, first start your day with a clear plan. Review your schedule and prioritize tasks. Like what's important today? What needs your immediate attention? Etc. Also reach out to team members who might need guidance. Maybe a developer is struggling with a task, or the product owner has questions. A quick check-in can save hours of confusion later. Here is a tip: don't just react to problems, plan ahead so your team can move forward smoothly. Next is facilitating the daily Scrum effectively. Next up, the daily Scrum. This isn't just another meeting, it's your chance to set the tone for the day. Keep it short and focused, under 15 minutes. Make sure everyone knows the purpose: it's not for status updates, but for collaborating and removing blockers. Teach developers how to review what's needed most for the sprint goal. If they're stuck, help them find a way forward. Here is a quick reminder: don't turn the daily Scrum into a long discussion. If deeper conversations are needed, schedule follow-ups instead. Next, observing and improving Scrum practices. Scrum Masters don't just run meetings, they observe and improve how the team works. Watch for issues like communication gaps or workflow inefficiencies. Are tasks getting stuck? Are people confused about priorities? Evaluate whether the team is actually following Scrum principles. Are retrospectives happening? Is feedback being used to improve? Here is an action step: if you notice problems, bring them up in the next retrospective and find ways to fix them together. Next, supporting the product owner. You're not just helping the development team, you're also there to support the product owner. Check in with the product owner on priorities and goals. Are there any last-minute changes? Offer help with backlog refinement or stakeholder communication. Sometimes the product owner needs help breaking down user stories or explaining things to stakeholders. Here is a simple trick: a 5-minute sync-up with the product owner in the morning can prevent a whole day of confusion. Next is addressing external impediments. Scrum Masters are problem solvers. Your job is to clear obstacles so the team can focus. You should work on technical issues or external dependencies. If the team is blocked by another department, step in and help. Communicate with stakeholders to address problematic behavior. Maybe a manager keeps interrupting sprints with last-minute requests. You need to handle that. And remember this: the faster you remove blockers, the faster your team can deliver great work. Next is nurturing a positive team culture. Scrum isn't just about processes, it's about people. A great Scrum Master builds a positive and motivated team. Encourage open communication and collaboration. Make sure everyone's voice is heard. Recognize individual contributions. A simple "great job" can boost morale and build confidence. Promote a blame-free environment where people feel safe discussing challenges. Mistakes are learning opportunities. Here is a quick tip: if your team is afraid to speak up, start by celebrating small wins. This builds trust over time. Next is practicing servant leadership. One of the biggest mindset shifts for a Scrum Master? You're not the boss, you're the coach. Schedule one-on-one check-ins with team members. Be approachable, empathetic, and offer guidance when needed. Also support team members in solving personal or professional challenges. A motivated team is a high-performing team. Here is a powerful reminder: a great Scrum Master doesn't say, "Do this." They ask, "How can I help?" Last but not the least is reflecting and adapting. And finally, end your day with reflection. Ask yourself, what went well today? What challenges did I face? What's one Scrum value I can focus on tomorrow? Maybe it's courage, focus, or transparency. Here is a tip: keep a Scrum Master journal. Writing down lessons learned helps you grow in your role. And there you have it, your daily checklist to be an amazing Scrum Master. And as promised at start, here is a bonus tip: the best Scrum Masters don't just follow a checklist, they evolve. Join Agile communities, attend meetups, and keep learning. The more you grow, the more you can help your team. You can join our WhatsApp and Telegram community for Agile tips, latest updates, bite-sized knowledge for your career growth, insights from industry experts, and much more. Links are in the description below. Click and join now. Which of these steps do you struggle with the most? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss an Agile tip.